Hi and welcome to episode 38. We are spending the New Year's in Nairobi before exploring the wonders of the Great Rift Valley. We arrived in Nairobi at the Jungle Junction campsite. It's a very famous campsite in the overland community. What you see here on the right are a lot of the cars that have been parked for months. You can see all brands here. We need to take care of several things, and this is the perfect place for it. First of all, change the front brake pads.
Pretty gone.
Not as bad as the other one.
Yeah.
In the back. Done. Second, add an additional spacer to the left spring in the back.
We have a lot of weight combined in the driver's side. That's why it's lower here versus than on the other side.
Done. And third, clean the car, because it was dirty as hell. Most of the things are clean, including all the aero boxes. They were dusty and full of spices everywhere. Now it's good. Veggies and fruit in order. Light server cleaned. Well, the mess is still here. But inside the car, it's very, very clean. Also done. Now we were ready for the new year. Also, Jonas is here with a friend. We had an amazing breakfast and were really relaxing. But of course, Kai could not start the year without repairing something. What is Kai doing when he's not repairing the car? He's repairing more things for the car. He's actually making a new cover for the high lift. Where's the old one to show? Oh. Yeah, so these are the pieces. So before was neoprene, but with the sand, just it got completely destroyed. So he went with Jonas to some guys that make actually tents and covers for seats and so, and got some material, and that's what he's been doing. And this is the final product. Attention to details is crazy. We are preparing to leave, filling our tanks before we go to shopping. We were in Naivasha to do some grocery shopping, and we also got some chapati, so good, and some samosas for the way. We are going to explore the Great Rift Valley. Maybe you know, maybe you don't, but Africa is slowly but steadily splitting in two. No worries, this is going to take millions of years. These massive tectonic movements have resulted in many volcanoes and also beautiful lakes. All this area, it is a paradise for birds, many migrating and spending the winter in these oases. First stop, Lake Navaisha. They're just here in between the people. I mean, the nest is up there in the trees, just on top of them. No, but the real reason why they're here is because they're setting fish here and the rest are thrown to them. We were looking for a place to relax and enjoy the afternoon, and we found it. We are in Lake Oloiden, which is a very small lake next to Navaisha lake. We are going to stay here for the night, and it's pretty awesome. We have the Pelicans here. Locals also come here in the afternoon because I think it is the only public space here in Lake Oloiden, but also in Lake Navaisha. So it's really nice to come here and chill. We just heard 2 hippos, and I'm cooking.
I don't see them right now, but I hear them.
I don't think they want to come here because of us. We are leaving. It's not very late, 9:15, but we are going to go to Lake Elementaita and see if we can see some flamingos before we continue to Nakuru. That's Lake Elementaita, and all that pink, those are flamingos. There. And all that. We found a place where we can see them directly. Plus zebras. It's really, really beautiful. I've never seen so many flamingos in one place. In Turkey, we saw a lot. Still, the numbers here is just completely another world. Zebras everywhere. We continued towards Lake Baringo, another freshwater lake. We heard that the east coast of the lake is undeveloped. That was music to our ears. Thank you. A lot of the houses are surrounded by cacti. Really, really tall. In really good shape, actually. Some of them have fruits I already took some. Now he has spikes everywhere. He's trying to remove them with a knife while driving. The houses here are different than what we have seen before. They already told us in the village that the road was closed, but we want to try it. This is where we will camp tonight, next to the road. But there should not be any traffic here, and the water is just deep. The complete police rapid response appeared from the bushes. There were some moments of tension, but after talking about our background and offering them some water, everything got more chilled and we were able to take this epic picture. Did we mention we were ready for our adventure? There is still so much more to come. Until then, enjoy the ride!